Potatoes, humble yet versatile, have the power to transform any meal, especially when prepared to golden, crunchy perfection. The secret lies in a few simple steps, allowing their natural flavor to shine while ensuring that delightful crisp texture that everyone craves. Begin by selecting starchy potatoes like Russets, known for their high starch and low moisture content, making them perfect candidates for crispiness. Wash the potatoes thoroughly, then peel and cut them into evenly sized wedges or slices. Uniformity ensures they cook at the same rate, avoiding any soggy or burnt disappointments. Next, immerse the cut potatoes in a bowl of cold water for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial as it removes excess starch, which can cause them to stick together during cooking. Once soaked, drain and pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness, so make sure they are thoroughly dry. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, while lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. Toss the dried potatoes in a large bowl with a generous amount of olive oil, ensuring each piece is well coated. Oil is essential not just for flavor, but for facilitating that coveted crispy crust. Season with salt, pepper, and your choice of herbs such as rosemary or thyme, adding depth to the taste without overwhelming the natural flavors of the potato. Spread them out across the baking sheet, ensuring none of them overlap. Overcrowding will cause steaming rather than roasting, turning crispy dreams into soggy realities. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes, flipping halfway through.